Again, guy, NGINX is a web server that is very similar to Apache. It is also very popular. It runs on a Linux platform, mostly on Linux platforms. Um, it can run on an Apache web server, but it's usually most companies have it running on Ubuntu. It's very lightweight and very good. Now, in this part of this chapter, I show how to actually install and configure this web server and then, you know, convert your resume into a website and host it on the server. And I even provide a template resume, which is an example resume that I have converted into HTML and host that on this web server that we built. Now, let me just show you what I'm talking about. So you can see this is the sample resume. It's just a sample, right? It's nothing. I just put this together, convert it into a website, and this website is being hosted on that Ubuntu server that we have been building. And you can see right now that's the home. You can change this to be yours. You go to skills, you can add your stuff here. Your experience, you can add changes and add your own stuff. And for education, you can add whatever education you have here. So this is really cool. So now it helps you learn how to not only build and configure a web server, but how to host something that you can even use. So once you've done setting this up, when a recruiter asks you for your resume, all you gotta do is just send the URL to the recruiter. I mean, in fact, in this same chapter, you will learn how to convert this into a public domain like Karen.com, and you send that to the recruiter and the recruiter can just see your resume. This is what some senior level admins are doing today. Gone are those days where they will be emailing and resumes and stuff. The big guys in IT, they have their resumes in a website and they can even add a link for their bio right here. And if you look at people that are senior IT professionals, professors, they don't exchange resume. They have a website. They just send that to you and you can check it out. So if you do this, then that puts you in a different class. So again, if you have been thinking about g- getting on board and getting on and learning this program, it's just another addition to your skill set. It just adds to what you've already learned. It makes you even more marketable. You don't only have Red Hat Enterprise Linux skills, but now you have Ubuntu skills. And companies like Amazon, they're looking for people with this skill set. So you can go to our website again and uh, subscribe. It's cheap, $39 for the entire course. And what you get is quite amazing, right? So let's look at what you get. So what you get is this, right? So you see this is the course and it's still forming. This course, I already have the entire thing of introduction, up into introductory literature. It has even quizzes when you go right there. You have some literature and you see this literature where you read it and then it has a quiz that you can take right here. And you can see the installation. It has the video showing you how to install and also has a quiz right there. um, you can see how to deploy this on VMware XSI. For those of you that have gotten the VMware DXSI server, if you got that, you can deploy it. Console and terminal login, patch and update management. And after you do that, it has literature where you can read, and then you can actually take a quiz, and so on and so forth, all the way to us deploying the server down there, right? And then also package management, and also and we have a bunch of other stuff still coming up that would just make this formidable. So this course is an associate level course. By the time you're done here, you'll be an expert in building and supporting Ubuntu servers. So that would have enhanced your Linux skills very, very well, coupled with what you already know, because a lot of these commands are similar to those of Apache, but I mean of of Red Hat, but then it has other things like you can see some of the other commands that are different. So again, I will encourage you to check this out and enhance your skills. All right, then. You take care. God bless you all. Bye bye.